Hey everyone, I'm very much excited to share my journey of installing wazuh SIM. Wazuh, that which is an SIM, where SIM is an acronym for Security Information and Event Management Tool. So let me just take you through how to install this wazuh. So first of all, we got to make sure care should be taken that wazuh servers can be installed only on Ubuntu based kind of OS. And right now I'm using Linux Mint, that is Ubuntu based. And right after that, so there are the main component over here is wazuh server. So for which we require this Ubuntu based OS. So in order to install wazuh, what we'll do is we'll make use of these two commands, that which installs wazuh. And care should be taken prior to executing this command that port number 443 is free, it's available and not being used by any other service. So I did went through this issue while installing it. So because here you can see that it was throwing me an error that this port is already being used by some other process. So what I did was, in order to tackle that issue, first I tried to investigate what service is using this port, and this command lists out the process. And in fact, nginx was the process that which was using this port. So what I did was, I deliberately made use of these two commands in order to stop it and disable it, so that it is 443 port is available for our wazuh server. So use these three commands in order to make this port available for use. And right after that, I was able to proceed with my installation, wherein you can see that wazuh started to install over here. And initially it started to install some dependencies, followed by configuration files, and later three main components of wazuh, that is wazuh indexer, wazuh server, and wazuh dashboard. And after installing all the three main components, it will give you your user name as well as password. Make sure you save these two, that which are very much essential after logging into the dashboard, like the landing page. You can get through the landing page by using this link, https localhost. So let me just go through this. So here I will be using my username as well as the password. Hit login. So initially it will check for some APIs and all, and right after that you will be taken to this overview page. Yeah, and over here, let's see how to install an agent, a wazuh agent on one more system. And in order to do that, all we got to do is go to this agent management, and over here deploy new agent. And here you can see that I have already deployed an agent on my Windows system, that which is a separate system, that which is on Windows 11 OS. And currently it's in disconnected state, and later I'll be booting the other system. So first of all, if I want to install a wazuh agent on a system, be it of belonging to any kind of OS, be it Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. So because mine was Windows based, I'll select this Windows, and here I got to assign the server address. This server address I can get it by using host name space -i, or by ifconfig, by typing ifconfig in the terminal of wazuh server system. So after getting that IP, make sure you paste it over here and check this toggle button to remember. And in step number 3, you'll be given some optional settings wherein you can assign an agent name, or you can leave it as it is so that it can take host name as agent name. And right after that, the main step over here is to copy this entire command, where you can see that wazuh manager is running on the server IP. The same server IP is over here. You got to copy this command, and you got to run this command over a Windows system, and you got to run this command on Windows PowerShell terminal, and make sure you open this PowerShell terminal in administrative mode. By right clicking onto that and run as administrator, you can do that. And right after install running this command, it installs a wazuh agent on the Windows system, and it will give you success message. And when you see that success message, you can start the agent by typing net start wazuh on the same system. And yeah, let me just boot up the other system. And right after booting that system, you can see this, the system jumping, taking a transition from disconnect state to active state. So yeah, the system has got a reboot. So let me just refresh this page. Yeah, here you go. So the system is right now in the active state. So yeah, so far this is my journey, and in the later sessions I'll also take you through how to get security based logs from an Windows agent system, as well as how to come up with the custom alert rules, and how to form reports, as well as how to create a dashboard out of it. So thanks for paying your attention so far. So if you are having any queries, put it in the comment section below, and do let me know your thoughts on this. Yeah, I hope this might help you. And in fact, I'll be putting the entire brochure in the description so that you can go through this. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.